Hi there. Hi there. Hi. You can say hi to everybody? Dallas. Dallas. Hi, Dallas. Hi. Hi there. Where's your smile? There's a smile. There's a smile. Oh, say hi. I say hi, say yes. He's a happy guy. He's a happy baby. Yes, he is. He's a bouncy baby. He's a bouncer. I say, Dallas. You're just like your brother. You see a camera and you just go into fixation mode, don't you? Yeah, you do. Yeah, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. Whoa. Hi there. Hi. Hi there, Smiley. Hi there, Smiley. Yes, you just love your bouncer. Yes, you love your bouncer. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You just go to town in there. Ooh. Camera high. Yeah, look at that. Whoa, he's a bouncing. He's a bouncing. Whoa there. Yeah. What is today? You're almost 5 months old today. You're just a couple days shy of 5 months old. Good for you. Yeah.